Looking forward to a stress-free holiday, lifestyle expert Melissa Lamb, a soon-to-be mom of two, has a few hacks to lighten the load for us. Good morning.
Good morning. That's right. It's such a busy time of the year for moms. They have so much on their plate. So I'm going to give you some great tips and tricks you can do at home, and you can start right now so it can lighten the load for you this holiday season. The first thing I like to say is start your baking and stock your pantry right now. It is not too early. Things like cookies are great. You can bake them now, put them in the freezer, and then if you have unexpected guests, you can just pop them out at any time. And I also like to stock my pantry with non-alcoholic options for the holiday season because not everybody wants an alcoholic cocktail, and this is such a growing trend. So this is from a company called Sobri. They are locally made right here in Ontario, which is super cool. And there is a zero gin and a zero tequila. So the gin has notes of juniper in it, while the tequila has notes of agave. No calories, no sugar, which means no hangover. So it's perfect for the holiday season. So here I am making my mocktail. Because I'm pregnant, I can't drink, so this is something I've been enjoying throughout the summer months. Now, if you are pregnant, always check with your doctor to make sure it is safe for you, because every pregnancy is totally different. And the nice thing is you can have a nice mixologist make these cocktails for you, and I like to call them mocktails, and it is non-alcoholic, so it's perfect for someone if they're driving or just anybody to entertain throughout the holiday season. I like to add some garnish into mine, so I say always have some rosemary and some pomegranate seeds on hand, and that'll be the perfect garnish for your drinks this holiday season.
Okay, great idea.
And another thing I like to do is set the ambiance in your house. So we have an artificial tree, which means it doesn't smell like pine in here, but it does. And that is because I'm using this rediffuser from Nest Fragrance Candles. It comes in candles. It can come in 3-wick candles, votives, but I like to use the rediffuser because I do have a 2-year-old at home. And as you can see, I set it just in front of our tree. So it gives the ambiance that we have a real tree, even though it is artificial, and it just smells so good. The fragrance I've been loving is called Birchwood Pine. It has notes of white pine, balsam, as well as birchwood. It's so beautiful. It also makes a really nice hostess gift. If you're not quite sure what to buy someone for this year, if they are hosting a holiday party, this is a great gift option because it looks super beautiful in the packaging. You can find it at Shoppers Drug Mart, both online and in store. And then if you're looking for a gift idea for mom, you can pair it with something like a nice robe and just have that nice self-care package for Christmas season this year.
It does smell nice when you open up the door and you smell the tree, even if you're not really smelling the tree. Great idea there. What about a little afternoon pick-me-up caffeine-wise?
That's right. So it's nice to take a break, even though we're all super busy. You have to take a break and, give yourself some time for self-care. I just upgraded our Nespresso machine. We are expecting baby number 2, so we know we're going to have very caffeinated mornings coming up. This is the Nespresso Virtuo. The reason why I love it, it was made by designer Joanna Ortiz, so it's super sleek. It's matte black. It has the rose gold emblem. It looks super gorgeous on our countertop, and it's super easy to make. High quality coffee with just a push of a button. You can get a full cup of coffee. You can get an espresso. What I like to do is I like to add a little bit of eggnog into the milk frother and heater and then add that to my coffee, so I have this beautiful, rich eggnog latte. The other thing I love is the pods are totally recyclable, so you can pop them in the little bag that they give you and put them in the recycling, and they are fully recyclable, so you are helping the planet. And this is part of their festive collection, so they have beautiful, delicious flavors right now. And as you can see, doesn't that look good for a morning pick-me-up?
Very nice, very nice. We've got about 30 minutes left, but once you do have your baby and you're able to drink again, you've got a stress-free way to build your wine collection.
That's right. This is called a wine club. So this is from wineclub.ca. They're Canada's most popular wine club. The reason why I love it, you don't have to wait in busy liquor store lineups throughout the holiday season. The wine club, it's a membership, so the wine comes right to your door. There's different options. You can choose how many bottles you want, the length and term of your contract, and you can cancel at any time, which is great.
Great idea, Melissa. We're out of time, but we'll put all your links up on our website, chch.com. Nice to see you again.
You too.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.